हुकूमती सिफारती वफ्द के सरबराह बिलावल भट्टो जरदारी ने वाज़ेह किया है कि पाकिस्तान मसाइल के हल के लिए डायलॉग और सिफारतकारी पर यकीन रखता है। भारत ने एक एटमी ताकत से जंग कर ली, लेकिन पहलगाम हमले में मुलविस एक भी दहशतगर्द का सबूत न दे सका। स्काई न्यूज़ को इंटरव्यू में साबिक वजीर खारजा ने भारत की जानिब से 24 करोड़ आवाम को पानी बंद करने की धमकी देना अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के चार्टर की खिलाफ वर्जी करार दिया। दावा किया कि पेट्रो इन चीफ की कानूनी और अदालतों से रिहाई होती है तो उसकी हिमायत करेंगे।
They cannot name a single terrorist that was involved in this attack. They went to war with a nuclear armed power. They can't tell you, they can't tell me, they can't tell the people of India which terrorist was involved in this attack. We've achieved the ceasefire, but we have not achieved peace. As it stands today, if there's a terrorist attack anywhere in India or Indian-occupied Kashmir, proof or no proof, that means war. That's not a tenable situation. Pakistan believes there needs to be dialogue and diplomacy where we discuss all issues. Absolutely, one of the many issues, and I'm happy to go to any of them, is the weaponization of water. Through the declaration by India, the threat by India that they'll shut off the water supply to 240 million people in Pakistan. Just making that threat is a violation of the UN Charter. Pakistan has and does combat terror within its own country. Those groups Pakistan has taken effective action against under the FATF framework. I can't explain why India won't admit the truth, but throughout this episode what we've seen is India is engaged in misinformation, disinformation. They've not been honest with their own public, the legal process in Pakistan, and if the courts and everything feel that he deserves to be let out on bail, like, we'd support that. It's absolutely his right.